Today I am going to tell you how to make handmade paper border design. Firstly, I am taking an A4 size sheet. Now I am drawing margin lines for boundaries. Secondly, I start decorating from corners like clouds and all remaining borders. Then I am filling my favorite color in first step of corner, and then in second step, and now I completed corner colors. At last, I am mentioning my name, class and section. At last, I am mentioning handmade design and project. I made it.